Premium 2-in-1 chemical and mechanical filter media designed specifically for the Fluval 307-407 and 306-406 High Perfmorance Canister Filters. Effective at removing and controlling phosphate. Effectively traps floating particles for clear water, debris, excess food and waste. For best results, replace monthly or as required after testing water with your Fluval test kit, sold separately. Include 6 phosphate remover pads for use in freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Top reviews from the United States. I love these pads. I love these pads because they fit perfectly and work. When they arrived in the Amazon shipping bag, the box the pads are packaged in was completely trashed. Seriously, it was ripped, flattened, crushed and folded. Trashed. However, the pads were all still sealed in their plastic wrap and in pristine shape. As long as the main item was alright, I am not going to complain. I don't need the box anyway. We'll order them again from this vendor.